Mga kapatid, sa dami ng mga pag-aaral ngayon ng mga eksperto, ng mga psychologists ay they came up with signs na ikaw ay depressed nung ikaw ay lumalaki, nung ikaw ay bata. And those tendencies, yung mga sinasabi nila ngayon ay most of that is really true. Kasi kagaya nito, this is just an example. When people ask you what you want to do with your life, you struggle to answer because all along, your only job has been to stay alive. Stay alive. Hindi mo alam yung purpose mo, hindi mo alam, you're caught up with the expectations o yung trip na mangyari sa buhay mo ng ibang tao, and they were not able to respect what you want to do in life. And as a consequence, you were not able to develop whatever gifts na meron ka. And usually naman tapos na alam mo yan, nangyari na. And as painful as it may sound, you will spend most of your life contemplating kung paano mo aayusin yung mga damage sa'yo. At hindi ka naman nag-iisa. Lahat naman tayo in some way, shape, or form na-damage sa mundong ito. Minsan, hindi lang alam ng mga magulang natin yung tamang approach o kung ano yung gagawin because it is also their first time. Some parents are narcissists, so they really do not care. And some parents are indoctrinated in a way na they think na they meant well, so yun na yun. That's all they can do. And you have to accept it once dumating ka sa edad na ikaw na yung bahala sa sarili mo eh. Ikaw na yung bahala sa mindset mo. You try to undo whatever that has been done and you try to unlearn whatever mali na natutunan mo, di ba? And it's a process. Pero ang lahat ng ito kasi for your own sanity and for your own katinuan, no? And yung pagpapatuloy ng buhay mo, iangkla mo yung sarili mo sa pagkakaalam ko lang na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Iangkla mo yung sarili mo sa Panginoon. Because your faith that the Creator wants the best for you is pag ganun ang isip mo kasi marirealize mo na kinailangan kong pagdaanan yung mga bagay-bagay para malaman ko ito ngayon. God bless.